Your favorite EHAS instructor with you today, Trudy Knockless. Imagine trying to follow a story without any clear direction. Transitions are the unsung heroes that guide your audience, ensuring clarity and coherence. Without them, your message can become disjointed and confusing, leaving your audience lost. Transitions are essential in any form of communication, whether it's a speech, presentation, or conversation. They help guide your audience through your content, making it easier to follow and understand. Let's explore different types of transitions: time-based, logical, contrast, cause and effect, and addition. Each type serves a unique purpose in communication, enhancing the flow and clarity of your message. Time-based transitions indicate changes in time or sequence. Logical transitions connect ideas smoothly, while contrast transitions highlight differences. Cause and effect transitions show relationships, and addition transitions add more information. Time-based transitions help indicate changes in time or sequence effectively. Words like first, next, and finally guide your audience through a chronological order, ensuring they follow your narrative seamlessly. Logical transitions link ideas smoothly, creating a coherent flow. Contrast transitions, on the other hand, highlight differences, adding depth to your message. Both are crucial for effective communication. For example, in addition to connects ideas, while on the other hand highlights contrasts. These transitions ensure your audience understands the relationships between your points. Cause and effect transitions illustrate relationships between ideas. Words like because, as a result, and if show how one idea leads to another, helping your audience understand the connections. For instance, because time management is essential, it can significantly reduce stress. These transitions clarify the cause and effect relationships in your message. Transitions enhance speeches, written pieces, and conversations. Tailor your transitions to fit the context and audience, ensuring your message is clear and engaging. In speeches, transitions guide your audience through your points. In writing, they connect paragraphs, and in conversations, they ensure a smooth flow of ideas. Be clear and concise to maintain audience engagement. Use signposting words and rhetorical questions to guide your audience. Visual aids can complement verbal transitions, enhancing understanding. Avoid jarring jumps that disrupt the flow of your message. Don't overuse transitions. Variety keeps the audience engaged. Effective transitions are key to successful communication. Avoid jarring jumps that disrupt the flow of your message. Instead, use smooth transitions to guide your audience seamlessly from one point to another. Don't overuse transitions. Variety keeps the audience engaged. Effective transitions are key to successful communication, ensuring your message is coherent and engaging. To recap, we've explored the power of transitions, different types, and how to use them effectively. By mastering transitions, you'll enhance your communication skills, ensuring your message is clear and impactful. By using transitions effectively, you'll guide your audience smoothly through your content, making your message more coherent and engaging. Transitions are the glue that holds your communication together. Now that you've learned about transitions, it's time to put them into practice. Start incorporating these techniques into your communication and watch your message become more effective. Remember, transitions are essential for guiding your audience and ensuring clarity. Use them wisely, and your communication will be more impactful and engaging. Let's continue learning together. Apply these transition techniques in your next presentation, speech, or conversation and see the difference they make. Your audience will thank you for it. See you soon.